guys, one of those remarkable parties we attended sa Horts Hotel that was in Tagaytay, Nasugbu Road. Napakasaya kasi ang mga visitors is no inhibitions, walang kaartehan sa katawan. Enjoy, everybody enjoyed really. Yeah, napakasaya. I spotted Mr. Franco. Naalala ko magaling sumaya ko, hindi ko siya na sayang na uli. Si Miss Belia. Okay, Horts Hotel guys, dito rin yung Tipanan Restaurant sa Tagaytay. Accommodating ang staff tsaka ang foods niya, napakasarap. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Yes guys, let's start our day with a smile. Good morning people. Yeah, although this is a late uploaded video, still captured my heart. Yeah guys, good morning. Yes guys, party. What's more annoying, yung mga co-workers mo na ganyan na mag-isip na tatawagin kang killjoy or walang pakisama when you refuse. Kaya join the party, join the fun, have fun, yeah.